Ultimate Tech Gift Guide 2025 Must-Have Gadgets. Finding the perfect gift can be a real challenge. But don't worry, this year I've got you covered with the Ultimate Gift Guide for 2025. First up, we've got the Rocketbook Smart Reusable Notebook. This isn't just any notebook. It combines the classic feel of pen and paper with digital organization. Write in it like a regular notebook. Then use the Rocketbook app to scan your notes to your favorite cloud service. And the best part? It's reusable. Wipe it clean with the included microfiber cloth, and it's good as new. No more wasting paper. The Rocketbook comes in various colors to match someone's style. This gift can seriously upgrade someone's productivity game. Who need more power on the go? Whether you're a busy professional, an avid traveler, or just someone who loves their gadgets, the Anker Prime 20K power bank is a must-have. This powerhouse ensures you never run out of battery. With 20,000 milliamp hours, it can charge your phone multiple times. Imagine the convenience of not worrying about your battery life. It packs a 200-watt maximum charging capacity, meaning you can juice up your laptop at full speed while charging another device. Perfect for those who need efficiency. It also has a built-in color screen showing power levels and charging speed. Stay informed about your power usage at a glance. With its sleek black or gold finish, it's not just functional. It looks good too. A stylish addition to your tech collection. The Anker Prime 20K power bank is a total winner for practicality and premium quality. It's the ultimate solution for all your charging needs. Time to up the ante with the Stone HS280 foldable drone. This drone is all about portability and ease of use. It folds down to a compact size, making it easy to take on any adventure. It shoots stunning full HD video, perfect for epic aerial shots. With a flight time of up to 15 minutes, you've got plenty of time to get the perfect shot. If you're looking for a gift that's guaranteed to impress, the Stone HS280 foldable drone is worth checking out. Next up, we have the Bose SoundLink Flex portable Bluetooth speaker, a true marvel of modern audio engineering. It's Bose, so you know you're getting that signature rich, clear audio quality that Bose is renowned for. It delivers surprisingly deep bass and crisp highs, even at higher volumes, ensuring your music always sounds its best. The SoundLink Flex is built to go wherever you go with its rugged, durable design and IP67 rating, making it perfect for any adventure. It's both dustproof and waterproof, and it can even float. So whether you're at the beach or by the pool, it's ready for anything. With up to 12 hours of battery life, you can keep the music going all day long without needing to recharge. If you're looking for a gift that sounds as good as it looks, the Bose SoundLink Flex is it. Its sleek design and powerful performance make it a standout choice for any music lover. The Lark self-cleaning water bottle is way more high-tech than you might think. It's not just a water bottle, it's a revolution in hydration technology. It uses advanced UVC light technology to sanitize the interior and purify the water, eliminating up to 99.9999% of bacteria and viruses. This means you can trust every sip you take, whether you're at home, at work, or on an adventure. Just press a button, and the UVC light does its thing in about a minute. It's incredibly easy to use, making it perfect for people on the go. The Lark has double-walled insulation that keeps drinks cold for up to 24 hours or hot for up to 12. So, whether you need a refreshing cold drink on a hot day or a warm beverage on a chilly morning, Lark has got you covered. The battery is rechargeable and lasts for up to a month on a single charge. This means less hassle and more convenience for your daily hydration needs. The Lark bottle makes a fantastic gift for anyone who's eco-conscious, health-conscious, or just likes their water extra clean. It's a thoughtful and practical gift that shows you care about their well-being and the environment. Last but not least, the Mago Qi 2 power bank for all the iPhone users out there. It has built-in magnets that align with the back of your iPhone, so it snaps on magnetically and starts charging instantly. It's Qi 2 certified, supporting the latest fast wireless charging standard. It's slim, portable, and comes in a variety of colors to match your style. This is the perfect stocking stuffer for anyone who's always on their phone. It just works. So there you have it, guys. Our ultimate tech gift guide for 2024. Hopefully, this video gave you some awesome gift ideas for everyone on your list. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more tech goodness, and let me know in the comments which of these tech gifts you have your eye on. Until next time, happy shopping.